Algae remind me of the first vegetable which appeared on Earth a billion years ago. During roughly 2 billion years, those algae did not evolve. They remained in oceans, and inch by inch, some of them specialized, and there appeared the first vegetable on Earth, which colonized the planet. In my opinion, they represent the first actors of the Earth's history. You can find them in the intertidal zone in the area between tide marks, mainly in marine waters. Some of them, in particular brown algae, represented as big forests in marine environment, are often compared with Earth's forests. They are important in terms of biomass, quite rich in proteins, whether for brown, green or red algae. You can find them in up to 30% of their dried weight. It is quite interesting and mostly concerns proteins containing original amino acids. To give you an example, spirulina is a prokaryotic microalgae containing more than 70% of proteins. This is a very good steak. In developing countries, this is an alimentary source which could be very interesting. In particular in Africa, we find big cultures of spirulina. We let water evaporate and we recover a sort of spirulina pancake, which are consumed like a vegetable. We are getting more and more control of things, and we have a better knowledge of active principles. There are plenty of things to be done with algae. They deserve to get more attention, as much higher vegetals. My experience in Asia is a strong influence on me. When we talk about algae, we always think of China. Big production of algae, fish production based on algae, production of seaweed for human consumption. It is probably one of the possibilities to answer human alimentation issues. I'm convinced that the role of the vegetable is going to develop, but not by itself. So regarding the case of fish, we will use algae. We already use algae, at least some of their nutritional elements. But we will probably combine them with enzymes or with bacteria producing those enzymes without any genetic engineering. Perhaps we should simply bring more nutritional elements which would make those carbohydrates assimilation easier. Have we worked further enough on the raw material to make it useful or edible? In animal nutrition, obviously, but is it linked to human nutrition? The catchword is be innovative. To be innovative, there is likely to be introduced into products coming from this biomass, that is to say bioproducts, what I would say are original products, maybe more bioactive and so more elaborated products in terms of process. Olmix is an interesting example, as this firm has 15 years of experience with a number of products, incorporating algae use for animal nutrition. Now it is extremely clear that the added value to expand is to be innovative and to discover new products. We're just about to design a range called Ecoligo. The Ecoligo are products based on algae, in particular green algae, mainly algae powder bound to fish flour. A new product called EcoBlock is to be created. This is a mineral lick rich in amideite and in green algae to bring every nutrient and to improve a ruminant's digestive system. The innovative thing is to take a part of raw materials, such as the green algae, to work with polysaccharides or biopolymers, to introduce them into a clay, and as a result, form a new complex which will interact with animal health and with the possibility to sanitize and to fix mycotoxins. So, it is innovative since it is a natural process with capabilities as good as or even better than synthetic products or even than chemical products. For the moment, we collect algae in trickles of water on beaches. We wash, triturate and dry them. In the future, we want to develop the whole procedure and to completely control it, and so to collect algae by our own means at sea, to pump and to treat them, if possible at sea, to throw the water present in algae away in the natural environment, and to only recover the vegetable part. Processes are strictly industrial. We take delivery of raw materials such as algae and clays that we transform here within the company by processes developed for more than 10 years by Olmix teams and partners. Today this sector represents 30% of Olmix turnover. Tomorrow we hope to develop more new products and to find again new concepts to get even more results and new applications. We hope to be able to apply them and to find tomorrow's natural solutions.